So I'm here to talk about the second stage of our three-stage model. Essentially, our second stage is this: we recruit young people aged 14 to 17, and what they do is they work on a variety of projects through multimedia formats. So that's film, that's music, that's advertisement, all these different forms of media. And what we do is we train them over the period of 2 days. We train them up so that they can build something that they want to build on a topic which is relevant to them as young people. Also, we have a heavy social media input on this, so we get the young people to engage with social media, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, all of these different things. We also have them do surveys, so they lead their own research into what they think their peers will be interested in and what they're going to find useful and helpful. So that is our second stage to our 3-step model.